नमस्कार, मैं मधुर गुप्ता, स्मैब रिसर्च द्वारा आयोजित चेंजिंग कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर पोस्ट लॉकडाउन इन एसोसिएशन विद ऑप्टिशियन इंडिया में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। अनलॉकिंग द पावर ऑफ रिसर्च बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एंड कंज्यूमर एंड देयर बिहेवियर। इस वेब सीरीज में हम इंडस्ट्री के कई दिग्गज एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ आज बात करेंगे, जो कि देश भर से सबसे प्रोमिनेंट रिटेल आउटलेट्स को बिलोंग करते हैं। आज के हमारे रिटेल एक्सपर्ट हैं श्री सौरभ दयाल जी। सौरभ दयाल जी ने क्लियर देखो 3.5 साल पहले को फाउंड की थी। इन्हें 8 साल से ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ई कॉमर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है। पेटीएम, विप्रो, एनएचसीएल जैसी ये संस्थाओं में काम कर चुके हैं। He is an expert in business development, payment solutions, and technology to scale businesses across geographies. इन्होंने बीटेक की है, एमबीए की है सॉइल गुड़गांव से, and he currently handles the overall business of Clear Dekho in India. Hi Saurabh ji, how are you?
I'm good, Madhur ji. How are you?
Absolutely fine, sir. अगर ज्यादातर आपके जो खरीदार हैं, the buyers basically, if we classify them into very concerned towards COVID, somewhat concerned towards COVID, or not concerned to COVID, if you would want to rate them from 1 to 3, what would be your rating?
I think a lot of consumers who are visiting our retail outlets at Clear Dekho, I think most of them are very concerned towards COVID. So probably we'll start with very concerned towards COVID, and then a small section of people, probably 20-30% of people are somewhat concerned. These are the people who are relatively of young age group. Because as a retail company, optical retail company, we attract a lot of people over the age of 40. So our 80% of consumers are people who are married, who have children, they have a particular age. So predominantly very concerned towards COVID. A very small section of people, young generation, who was less concerned. And probably I don't see anybody entering the shop who is not at all concerned. So this would be my order.
Sure. And if we say what kind of consumers are walking in terms of जो लोग अपनी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्शियस हैं, they are leaning towards the health platform, or people having fashion at the back of their minds.
I think first and foremost we have to understand कि the company which I am running, Clear Dekho, we are an optical retail chain. So optical category as a whole is a need-based product category. वैसे भी हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा window shoppers नहीं आते हैं. A lot of people who enter the store, they have a certain requirement in their mind. Okay. So आज के time पे तो the customer, even one customer or 10 customers who are entering a store on a daily basis, they exactly know what they want. ऐसा नहीं है कि they are coming to do a lot of experimentation and they are checking a lot of items. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. They exactly know कि उनके mind में क्या है, उनको क्या product चाहिए, उनके mind में कोई defined budget होता है, and that is how they are placing the order and we are serving them. Talking about fashion, again, इस टाइम पे people are not looking out for a lot of fancy items or fashionable stuff. They are looking for an item जो उनका requirement को meet करता है, and that is how we are serving them.
If we have to compare between pre-corona age and something post-corona age, in that sense, I would want to ask you, what kind of a customer base you had initially, like did you have the returning ones as your main customers, or the new customers were the main focus earlier on, before COVID?
I think pre-COVID, it was a combination of both new customers as well as returning customers. Since we fall under the health category or the medical category, people do not usually change their optician or doctors. So probably 50-60% of the customers who used to enter our store pre-COVID were our existing customers. And obviously, since we do a lot of innovative marketing and we also have an omni-channel platform, So a lot of customer acquisition happens through different channels, like online also. So that is why we had a combination of both new and returning. But post COVID, there has been an increase in the returning ones. I'll tell you why. This is happening because at this point of time, जब customer को पता है कि उसको exactly क्या चाहिए और उसके पास limited time है, and there are so many restrictions from the government also in terms of transportation and logistics, people are not open to do a lot of experimentation. So जिसका जो भी requirement था, he knows कि उसे किस दुकान में जाना है और वहां से क्या लेना है. So majority of our customers are returning one. Having said that, we have also witnessed few new customers as well. Probably 20% of customers are new for us. उसका भी एक reason है because government ने बहुत सारे regulations डाले and a lot of local optical stores are also not opening. And since we have some approvals from the DM and government side, since we are opening our stores, so a lot of new customers who are not able to go to their optical stores from where they used to buy earlier, वो आज हमारे stores में आ रहे हैं. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, we are a omni-channel platform. We are also experimenting with few new things. हम लोग घर में serve कर रहे हैं customer को, so we are attracting a lot of new customers as well.
If we say that, in general, how COVID has impacted your consumer shopping behavior?
I think आज के टाइम पे, as I mentioned, कि customer knows what it wants. Having said that, ऐसा नहीं कि customer बहुत ज़्यादा budget constraint होके एक shop के अंदर घुस रहा है. Customer at this point of time is looking for a value product. If we are able to give him a product जो लंबा चले, जिसकी quality अच्छी हो, and we can give a product which gives him value and can help him कि वो फिर से दुकान में ना आए for next 12 months. He is open to shed few extra penny from his pocket to procure a product जो शायद 100-200 रुपए या 500 रुपए महंगा हो, लेकिन अगले 12 महीने के लिए उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दे. So we have not seen कि customer का buying behavior in terms of the ATV or the average transaction value has reduced. In fact, I feel 100-200-300 रुपए से हमारा ATV बढ़ा ही है.
Okay. If we say who are the new buyers, what exactly is attracting them towards your outlets?
First and foremost, most of our new buyers come from the nearby residents. हमारे स्टोर के 2 किलोमीटर के आसपास की जो जनता है, अगर उनको कोई भी चश्मे का रिक्वायरमेंट है, they are coming to our store, probably because earlier they might be going to, let's say I come from, if I talk about Delhi, so Delhi mein there are a lot of markets like Lajpat Nagar, Sarojini Nagar, or there is Connaught Place. So all these places have a huge market where a lot of optical stores and general shops are there. Also there are a lot of malls जहां से लोग चश्मा भी लेते हैं. Now since at the current times there is a lot of restriction in terms of the opening of these marketplaces as well as malls, so people have, obviously they don't have a choice but to go to their nearby optical store, and that is what is working for us. So nearby residents से लोग आ रहे हैं, plus we also do a lot of outreach activities. We used to do a lot of eye checkup camps. We are planning to do something post COVID as well. So वहां से भी काफी नए कस्टमर्स आ जाते हैं. प्लस इस टाइम पे एक और फैक्टर है कि कस्टमर्स आर लुकिंग फॉर अ पार्टनर हु कैन ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिबिलिटी एंड ट्रस्ट. So rather than going to a local optical store where the customer might feel कि ये सर्विस अच्छे से नहीं देंगे, या फिर ये आज खुलेगा कल नहीं खुलेगा, या फिर 6 महीने बाद ये रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा, या क्वालिटी में भी थोड़ा सा भी उनको अगर शक है, so all those things are being taken care by Clear Dekho, and that is one of the biggest reasons why people are preferring us over a local optical store.
If we say that there are certain measures which need to be undertaken, जो आपके कंज्यूमर के दिमाग में या उसके मन में जो परसीव्ड रिस्क है ऑफ कोविड, वो दूर करने के लिए हम क्या-क्या मेजर्स उठा रहे हैं?
So since we are a unfinished good, we offer a unfinished good. मतलब चश्मा बनने के लिए सबसे पहले कस्टमर आई टेस्ट करता है, अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस करता है, then the frame and lens get fitted at our lab, which is based out of Ghaziabad. So there are multiple steps involved. So there are two things. One is कि front end में customer दुकान पे आ रहा है, so we are ensuring there is proper sanitization and the hygiene is being taken care of. For example, if we talk about our store, so there is proper sanitizer at the store. The optometrist or the store manager who's present at the store, he's using gloves, mask, head shields. All those things are being taken care of. If I talk about payments, we are trying to promote digital payments and trying to have a contactless experience for the customer. So हम ensure करें कि जो हमारे products भी displays में लगे हुए हैं, they are properly sanitized every half an hour, और every customer के visit के बाद सारे जो चश्मे होते हैं उनको we try to do, we take care of the sanitization of the entire product range which is kept at the store. Once we do a lot of these things, this helps customer to think that there is no risk once he enters the store. Now this is at the storefront. Now if I talk about the back end में there is a team who is building chashma for us. So आपका lens fit हो रहा है, lens cut हो रहा है, so there's proper sanitization and social distancing which we are maintaining at the store. Even when we are delivering the things to the store, जो हमारा delivery boy, he's ensuring that he's wearing a proper PPE kit and he's wearing all those gloves and masks when he's delivering the product at the store, and eventually that gets delivered to the store. So end to end, फ्रंट एंड में, बैक एंड में, और जो डिलीवरी हो रही है, एंड टू एंड वी आर इंश्योरिंग कि देयर इज प्रॉपर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग एंड सैनिटाइजेशन एंड ऑल दीज प्रिकॉशंस जो गवर्नमेंट ने हमें बोले हैं वो सब पीपल आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ, एंड कस्टमर को कोई रिस्क ना हो.
My question is, how are you communicating this to your consumer, basically?
So Madhurji, there are two channels via which we are communicating. One is obviously the social media, where we are using Facebook, we are doing SMS, we are doing emailing. इससे हम लोग communicate कर रहे हैं कि all those precautions which we are taking care of. Plus we are making a lot of videos and we are calling our existing customer base and approaching them, telling them that if there is any requirement of the chashma, they can visit our store, and we are taking care of all precautions as per the government guidelines.
According to you, what kind of measures will help bring in more footfalls?
So one thing is keeping the price of the product same. All of us know कि raw material का price बढ़ रहा है because imports खत्म हो गए हैं, and there is a shortage in the, and there's a big gap in the supply chain. The supply chain has taken a big hit. So if we can ensure कि we can reduce our margins और customer को ज़्यादा impact ना हो in terms of the pricing, we can ensure that there is consistent footfall at our store. Number one is this. Number two is if we can ensure and give him a contactless experience. I was hearing an interview of an employee of McDonald's. McDonald's in Europe, what they are doing is कि they are trying to give a contactless experience. They are already building a system there जहाँ पे customer को order place करते समय कुछ भी चीज को छूना नहीं है, and order place हो जाता है, and then they get served with the food. So we are trying to do the similar thing. अगर मैं contactless की बात करूं तो हम लोग payments, we are promoting digital payments as I mentioned before. हम cash को avoid कर रहे हैं. We have wallets and all those digital payments in place. Next, हम लोग if there is more than one customer at the store, we ensure that there is he either waits outside or there is proper distance which is maintained. तो अगर हम ये सब करेंगे तो customer का footfall बढ़ेगा. The next point is, if you are able to provide a good variety and a good range of product, तो footfall बढ़ेगा, because what we are experiencing is कि हम एक दुकान में जाते हैं और हमें पता चलता है कि वहां पे वो सामान नहीं मिल रहा है, जिससे credibility और trust lose हो रहा है. So if we are able to deliver 100% requirement of the customer, then I think the customer would recommend us to others as well, and we would be the first choice for him in terms of procuring any item. So three things again: keeping the price constant, second contactless experience, and third is having a good variety of products.
Right. हम लोग इसको क्लासीफाई करें अगर अपने कंज्यूमर को, आपके पास में अगर हम लोग इनको रेट भी करने की कोशिश करें कि इन पांचों में से, कैटेगरीज में से सबसे ज्यादा कौन, उसके बाद कौन, उसके बाद कौन सी कैटेगरीज आपके पास सबसे ज्यादा आ रही हैं आज के डेट में? पहले नंबर पे वेबसाइट से, या फिर ऐसे लोग जो कॉल करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि मैं खुद आके कलेक्ट करूंगा प्रोडक्ट आपके यहाँ से, ये वाले, या फिर ऐसे लोग जो कहते हैं कि कॉल करते हैं और कॉल करने के बाद बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट भी घर पे ही भेज दो, और ऐसे लोग कितने हैं जो ये कहते हैं कि मैं वहाँ आके कलेक्ट कर लूंगा or खुद ही आके they are visiting that store, and how many are, you know, they are visiting themselves and then they want the deliveries to be taken by a home delivery guy. So what kind of consumers are more these days, you know? And if we say, you know, if you have to say 1 2 3 4 5, so what would be your sequence?
If you allow me, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा different way में answer करना चाहूँगा. Clear देखो, as an organization has three modes of reaching out to customer. One is obviously a retail network. We have 55 plus retail outlets across India. The other is e-commerce website, as you mentioned. So obviously a lot of visitors and people buy from there. There's a huge amount of internet audience who prefer buying online. And then there is another channel which we have just started a couple of days back, which is home eye testing, which we call Clear Dekho at home. So if I have to arrange these three in a particular order, one is obviously, since we have a retail presence for more than 2.5 years, so I believe a larger chunk of audience visit our stores, and out of them, few of them ask us to deliver the product at their home. So majority of them come back to collect the chashma from the store. And in any case, if they cannot come, if they do not have time, or if they are taking some precautions and don't want to step off the house, we ensure that we have a delivery network who can deliver the chashma to their store from our retail outlet. The next preference would be definitely internet based cleardekho.com, जो हमारा e-commerce channel है. A large number of audience come there, और वहाँ पे तो delivery happens at their home. The other option, the last option which I have started just couple of days back, which is Clear Dekho at home. यहाँ पे we have seen that there is a certain section of customers who do not like transacting online. उन्हें look and feel matter करता है, वो देखना चाहते हैं कि चेहरे पे लगा के चश्मा कैसा लग रहा है, and they are risk averse, और वो इस time पे घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाह रहे हैं. That is the reason why they prefer calling us and asking a team of our people, probably a couple of people who visit their home with the entire PPE gear. हम सारे gloves, shoe cover, mask, headgear, ये सब equipment के साथ we go there. We go with our eye testing machine, and we do the eye testing. We go with frames and all the products which require maybe contact lenses, and the customer can pick and choose, and we deliver it to their home. So if I have to just summarize, the first is obviously retail, second is e-commerce, and the third is home eye testing.
Fine. The next one is, if we say that, you know, what kind of a preference they have, you know, the consumers who are walking in, premium luxury पे जा रहे हैं, you know, or affordable luxury पे जा रहे हैं, या house brands में जा रहे हैं. So what kind of a, you know, sequence would it be like?
Since predominantly we are a budget brand, so most of our products would range between 500 to 1500 rupees. But off late or post COVID, what we have witnessed is if we are able to show value to the customer, he's able to pay us a little more so that we can deliver a product which lasts longer. We have also been giving insurance with every product, कि अगर उसे 12 महीने में कोई भी complaint हो रहा है, कि without even spending a single penny, the product gets replaced. So I think I would choose affordable luxury, which is a combination of little extra payment which the customer is ready to shed, and obviously since we come from affordable background, so affordable luxury would be my choice.
Okay. Okay, and are consumers open to spend more towards lenses or frames? You know, are there you know, instances where you can upsell? Is there you know, that thing can happen?
See, for us there are two types of customers. One is a customer जो lower income group में आता है, वो ज़्यादा experiment करते नहीं है. They have a certain budget in their mind, so they are not open for spending more than allowed budget. The second is a customer जो mid salary income group से higher salary income group में आता है. They are always open to shed an extra penny if we are able to provide value. As I mentioned earlier, if we are able to provide the right value to the customer, I don't see why they would not pay us a little more for getting a product which lasts long, which is durable, which has a certain quality.
Thank you so much, sir. You have given us a very good insight, and we would look forward to having you again at this once again. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Mathurji, for having me here and allowing me to share my experience of how customers are behaving in cleardekho.com. Thanks.